Today on What Happened Online, a little kid shot straight to stardom after it got discovered when singing at Walmart. Welcome to What Happened Online, I'm your host Simon, and today we're taking a look at Walmart Kid. If you haven't lived under the rock the past couple of weeks, then you probably already know what I'm talking about. So this is a quick roundup on what's been happening around the Walmart Kid. So first there was this video at Walmart where a kid was yodeling and it got picked up and it blew up. It got millions of views, as you can see, and just listen to this. So this kid is yodeling. I have no idea how you yodel, so I can't really do it, but I've been told that he actually does a pretty good job at yodeling, so big up for the kid. And of course, when you get famous on the internet, where do you go? You go to the Ellen Show. So the kid went on the Ellen Show and he live performed, he got a scholarship, and he got the opportunity to play on a concert, which is pretty cool.
I'm a country boy, and out in the old country, all we do is bale straws of hay, and next thing you know, you're sitting under a tree taking a nap with your hat down and a weed in your mouth. Lord, I don't know what I do. All I do is sit and sigh. Oh, Lord, that last Sunday she said goodbye.
Well, you know, we have a lot of friends. We have a lot of connections, so I called my friends at the Grand Ole Opry, and they want you to perform there Saturday.
Oh, my God!
Saturday! Our friends at Walmart want to help you, and they're going to give you a scholarship for $15,000.
Well, it's actually pretty fast in a week, going from Walmart to the Ellen Show. I actually stroked a donkey over its ears a couple of days ago. Is that something that's impressive for the Ellen Show? Otherwise, yeah, I'm down. Just hit me up, fly me to America or wherever, and But that's not it. So he got discovered at Walmart. He went to the Ellen Show. He got a scholarship from Walmart itself, and then the most amazing thing happened. He performed live on Coachella. So of course the crowd loved it. It's little kid yodeling. It's pretty cool in my opinion, and he did it. He did. You can see it. You can see it here. So of course, after the Coachella concert, the memes came and people took pictures in the airplane of the kid. They also took pictures afterwards, and these have been used online. So yeah, the kid is pretty famous right now. But what's next for him? I don't know. Will he have a career in yodeling? I'm not really sure about that, but hey, that's the internet. In 1 week you go from yodeling at Walmart to singing at Coachella. Alright, that was a roundup of what happened online. I hope you enjoyed this. If there are other things you want me to check out, let them know in the comments, because that's why comments are here. Yeah. And remember kids, if you sing at Walmart, you can get famous. See ya.